This is a follow-up bodhrán lesson. This is going to be a pattern for playing Irish polkas. And it uses a pattern that we use for jigs. The basic, down, up, flat, which is a jig rhythm. And jigs are played in 6/8 time, and polkas are 2/4 or 4/4 time, depending on how people write them out. And yet we're going to be using this jig pattern. So the first couple times I tried to do this, my brain couldn't process it very easily. And it's down, up, flat, down, up, flat, down, up. So that's how we get to the 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll get that going at a nice pace here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so you got the basic idea. Let's see if I can lilt a polka and play at the same time. This rhythm is fairly new to me, so we'll see how it goes. We'll try Peg Ryan's, which I think people also call carry polka number 1. So ba ba dee da da ba da da dum bum ba dum bum bum dum. So down up dum da da ba da da ba dum ba da ba dee 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 dum ba dee 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 dum ba da ba dee dee dum ba dee 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 dum ba da ba dee 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 dum ba dee dee dum ba dee dum ba da ba da 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 ba da da dee 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 dum ba da ba dee 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 dum ba dee 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 dum dee 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 dum ba da da dee 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 dum ba da ba dee 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 dum ba dee 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 dum ba dee dum bum. That one better than I thought it would. Now I find it really helpful for me to call it out when I'm learning it. That down up flat, 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 down up flat. And also to do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Knowing where those beats are in the pattern really helps. The next thing that I think helps is doing what I just demonstrated, is actually lilting the tune. Because then you're getting the music in your mind related directly to the rhythm. So you've got that bum bum ba dum bum 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 ba da ba da da dum bum ba dum ba da ba da 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 dum bum ba da ba. And then if you lose the rhythm, it's still there and you just kind of automatically find it. So down, up, flat, down, up, flat, down, up, down, up, flat, down, up, flat, down, up. So why don't focus on the hand here? Down, up, flat, down, up, flat, down, up, 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 down. There we go. So that's just a review of that rhythm for polkas. All right, have fun.